So this is going to be a little bit awkward because the microphone's there. So I can hardly see the camera because it's bloody miles away. Can you see the slippers? I don't know, I can't tell. But if you can, lucky you. Let's go and see if I can sort out the camera because it's not really the best shot, that. So it's a Corsair 760T. It's a huge tower. Thought I'd go for the biggest one I could so that I could fit more stuff in it and there's better airflow. Just working area can be a bit compact in these things, can't it? So let's get it out of the box. For some bizarre reason, it's actually in a bag. That's cool. Oh yeah, it's cuddly. Wow, it's pretty big. I'm liking it. Oh yeah. Oh, is one on that side as well? Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yes. So I'm quite proud of this tower. I've not actually opened the sides or the top or anything yet, but first impressions, amazing. I'll probably make a start putting the bits in that I've already got, so they're not just lying around on the floor, and well, give it a bit of a tour of it first, and then do that. Maybe do that together. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't plan these things. They're not professional at all. As far as cases go, this is quite a nice one. It's the graphite one. It took me quite a while to pick a case. I wanted one with plenty of room, a couple of built-in fans. So there's two, I think they're 140 diameter, are they? Or 120, I can't remember, to be honest. Intake at the front, then you've got the exhaust, one at the back. You've got plenty of room at the top to screw the radiator that's going to water cool. The processor, got all these slots, I think there's about 9, is there or something? I don't know. Quite a lot of drive bays, 8, although I'll probably lose this one because I don't think I'm going to have any more than 3 hard disks in it. And at the back here, from the other side, those are the vertical SSD slots, and then you've got your room for your 5¼ inch bays at the top, the 5¼ inch drives. And again, you can take this top piece off because it's magnetic if you need more airflow or not. And it's on feet as well, it's raised, which is quite nice, rubberized sort of feet along the bottom. And there's filters as well. So there's a filter below the power supply. You've got all these little grommeted little wire slots as well, so you can have your main wiring around the back, sort of hidden behind the board. Plenty of room here so you can screw onto the side of the mobile for where the processor is, for your water cooler or your giant big air brick to cool it down. And these windows, this side is tinted. It's graphite, like I said. There's me. Hello. Quite reflective. Probably a fingerprint magnet, but no one's going to be touching it because I'll kill them. Oh, and as well, once you hinge the doors on, you can lift them. I'm not going to do it because I'm in a really awkward position, but if I lifted that, the hinge just comes, the side panel just comes straight off, so you can work on it quite easily. And it's a bit of flex in the door, as you'd expect for something this high. And got a nice click magnet sort of shut. But yeah, very impressed with the tower. Really, really like it. I'm going to make a start putting some bits in it. Maybe not right now, but pretty soon. So yeah, I'm a little bit behind on the gen and the jargon, but pretty much it's not changed really in all these years since I've done it. It's just a bit easier, a bit neater. You don't really see people panicking with anti-static strips. Obviously you've got to make sure that you're careful with these bits, but I'm going to take that out, put another fan, because there's room for a fan below it, put a radio at the top, motherboard there, graphics cards here, and I'll just show you the side quickly. Whip. So in here, these are the SSD drive bays. I'll probably only have one or two of them in there, to be honest. Then all your grommets coming out the other side, so your cables can run neatly up here. These are the cables for the fan speed, power, USB 2, 3. Those come down there, all the way down to where I'm going to connect them to the other side and the motherboard. Quite a good bit of length. And again, because I've got this modular power supply, I shouldn't really have to go overkill on all the cables, which is nice. So yeah, just a short one. Obviously we'll see a lot more of the case as time goes by and as we put a bit more gear into it. And then when we finally get the monitors and install the OS, we will actually power it up and it will hopefully work. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? So that's it for now. Again, just a short one. Take care now. Bye bye then.